When the world says run, your heart says panic. God says something completely different. Our second pointer today is the divine strategy for Nissan. Stand still and see. Let's discover why stillness is actually your greatest weapon. Kapatid, ano man yang sitwasyon, but you know your God, and you are really have the ability to still. Right now, God is declaring, this is the month of your Nissan. Stand still and see. Katulad ni Moises, itinaas niya yung kanyang mga kamay. Stand lang siya and still. Diba? Worshiping our God. And unti-unti, nakita niya kung paano gumawa si Lord ng daan sa Red Sea. We are in the month of Nisan, the season of the breakthrough. You might feel surrounded by chariots of your old life, but God is about to turn your stopping point into a starting point. Our third pointer is the Nisan breakthrough, where we learn that God doesn't just help us survive the sea. He makes us walk right through it.